Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have homemade Chinese, well, Chinese fried rice. That's what you call it again?
Yes, Chinese fried rice. You made your Chinese fried rice, and then we also, I'm not even gonna say it. So when you see this to the camera, look at that. You already know what is that. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, so you know
RFC
that's in the building. Yeah. All right.
And then we have some spring rolls on the side.
Yes.
I did not make these. These are store-bought. Yes, I'm telling all my business. That's okay. So yes, and then it's just vegetable fried rice. And we guys hope you have had a great Monday or having a great Monday.
Yep. And family, while y'all watching this, where we at, First Lady?
We in Texas, y'all.
We in Texas, dog. You know what it is already, you know. We had to come take care of some quick business, and y'all will see that soon in the next video. You know? Gotta do what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying?
Sometimes you gotta travel.
Got to travel. Oh. I got the knockoff 2 times. Let's do that.
That is not knockoff.
I'll just there.
That is a real deal.
Yes, I'm gonna put some 2 times on it, so you know how we gonna get. You know how we coming.
More knockoff.
Shh. AC, mute. There we go. That's how you could talk to your AC family. Look, listen. Shh. My tongue. Wow.
What you guys been up to?
For real.
Happy Monday again. We over here chilling, minding my business.
Yo, as I said before, you will put Chinese store in a business.
For real.
Your fried rice hitting.
Bustin'.
No cap. That's how spicy, you know. Family. I know. I'm trying to be a 2-time guy. That's spicy, family. You know, you don't get RFC often. It's a lot of work.
When you be watching TV shows, they make the fried chicken make it look so simple. It's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work to make fried chicken.
I know some people gonna say, "Oh, it's not that hard. I love it." That's you. I'm telling you that how we feel. That sugary can be, you know, because you have to make sure that it's fried perfectly. And sometimes you think it's fried crispy, you put it out, and then you go back to go eat it, and the skin is soft.
Oh!
Ooh.
If you're new, I am Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady. Come join the family, you know? So like, subscribe. And watch our video and get to know us. You know what I'm saying?
We will definitely tell you guys about our trip, why we went. You know, we know you guys are nosy, so.
We're gonna tell y'all.
We telling y'all all our business.
We're gonna tell y'all. You know, we know we gotta tell them. You know?
Yeah.
You know? This trip.
How long they making?
5 years. Yes. 5 years, I mean.
I had to cancel one time before, and this time I was like this close to canceling again.
Only if you knew. You know?
We'll see.
We'll see. So, just know we have Texas.
Tell us some good spots to eat some seafood. Ooh. You okay, baby?
But you're telling us what part we at?
You in Houston, Texas.
We in Houston, family. Okay?
And
So comment down some spot to eat where we could try some good food.
good seafood or Mexican food, because I love Mexican food. And Texas should have some good Mexican food.
Yep.
Oh,
Let us know.
I did some research and I have a couple of spots.
That's one thing. We always do our research, you know?
So,
Take a piece with it with this 2-time money. Do you like it? It's dripping. There you go. Wow, look at that. Guess what they're gonna tell you? They're gonna show you the spot.
that's what they're gonna tell me. Sorry, don't judge me. Sometimes I don't like too much of the vegetable. I like just the dough. I like the crunchy stuff. Can I have some of that sauce, honey?
How y'all make y'all fried rice when y'all make it? If y'all do make it, we want right here. Good.
Yeah, more. Yeah, good.
How y'all make it? Okay. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. Really? Oh, come on now. We talking about the same way how the Chinese people make it. Come on now. You got to put your own stuff in it. Come on now, family. Oh. Oh, that's when you make the vegetable fried rice. Okay. Okay. I got what they say now. Now I understand. Oh. And the other one for the pork. Oh, yeah, okay. Pork fryer. Okay. Got you.
This is what I have to say is, what am I gonna say? I forgot. Wow. Yeah, mama, forget money. I forgot, Tom.
Really?
I forgot that quick. Wow. That's not good. That is not good.
Chicken butt. Rice nice, as always.
Your chicken is extra crispy today. I don't know what you did to that batter, but you put your foot in it.
I had to turn up on the batter. Wow.
You love it, Tom?
Love it. I love it. You eat right, Check?
And move, huh?
Yeah, move, you're not eating it.
I yum it.
Wow, Daniel. It's cooked to perfection, see?
It is cooked really
Look,
good.
if you don't want to believe me, you have to see. There we go. Zoom in. It's cooked to perfection, family. You know how I do already. Come on now. We in the building with let's do that. You like our chicken taste, Tom?
It tastes bad.
Bad mayo.
How many chicken I gave you? I think 5 pieces.
To be honest, I don't even know. I still got a cup.
He still has the cup,
Yes,
y'all.
my cup is not bothered. Leave my cup alone in the fridge. I still have the family. Yep. First day, told my business already.
I told, if you guys watch the other video, you guys know the significance about that cup.
Yep.
It won't be here for long, though.
Leave my cup alone, my own. Cup not bothered you.
Growing up, my mom used to do that all the time. Throw our stuff out. It's not in her way, you know. You know how our mom was saying, if you keep on leaving your shoe in the hallway, I'm gonna throw it out. Okay, I get that. But we're talking about something that's in our closet or in our drawer or on our bedside table that my mother would just be like, you know what? It's in the way. I don't like it, and throw it out. So I said to myself, when I get older and have a family, I will not be doing that. I will not be throwing out people's stuff.
Don't throw myself.
But Richie, I have to. What's my head, honey?
Don't. My stuff is not bothered.
No. Peace, honey. That's good. With Richie, I have to. Because he will have it in the fridge.
What?
The cup. And it'll have water in there. And then it'll spill. So now I'm pissed off because it spilled and I gotta clean it.
My stuff.
So
I've never seen my cup ever spill. It spilled. It would spill if
How would you spill?
It would spill if they knock it over.
I just said that.
Oh, you said.
But that's what I said. I said it was spill. Calm down.
Okay now.
Okay?
Alright. It was spilled from
I just said that, honey. I never said you spilled it.
It's not gonna spill from me, right?
I never said you spilled it.
I know, but I just want to make sure I wouldn't spill it, right? Yes, I know.
That's correct.
Because I put in a spot where it won't spill from me.
That's correct.
Thank you very much.
But it won't spill for you.
Yes.
But if I'm moving stuff around.
Thank you very much.
But that's what I said, honey.
Okay. I just want to correct something because I know it's not.
But there was no correction needed because that's what I said in the jump.
All right.
You see how quick he ready to attack?
All right, family. See that, family?
Yo, this guy, boy.
My cup ain't doing nothing to her now.
I said.
All right.
Because then it was spilling it in the fridge. Now I'm pissed off because I gotta clean it up. So.
No use spill it.
This damn cup get my damn nerves and I throw it in the garbage.
Family, this cup stay out of way. The cup got a side for himself. And your nose, that's why this thing spilled mine.
Yeah, exactly. Because I'm cleaning out the fridge and that something spilled, that sucker go in the garbage.
Wow.
Oh, my, you cannot talk enough.
What? You chat too much, man.
Now you chat too much.
You chat too much. I'm talking, man.
You love. You love a talk.
You chat too much, man.
I never listen.
I chat too much. My cup now, leave my cup alone.
Just for the garbage. Watch. Just for that.
Yeah? You let me get them knife if you hear. Wow. I need a nap. Eat your rice, huh? Okay.
What?
Yo,
What?
chicken rice. They're looking like, damn. He did good on them chicken were real. Not too time. Takes time, family. No, I don't have a recipe. I just make it up my head. I put whatever I want in. But you know it's RFC in the building. You ever know that? Eat my side rice. I'm eat done, you?
Go ahead, go on. You have competition with me?
And I'm up most of that food already, man.
Yeah.
Wow.
I am full.
Wow. You been full from the first bite of that chicken.
You're damn right. You're damn right. No, I've been kind of full.
Oh, so you know what's in here? Our people stuff, you know that. Tropical punch.
Like this.
Oh, that?
Crunchy. Man, you ever eat and your mouth get tired?
Oh yeah, sometimes I'm eating something like kind of hard. It's like it's saliva can't eat no more. I hurt my gums, son. I don't like that shit. Like when it's too dry. Last time I went to Fort Lauderdale buy the chicken bite the night there, but I thought my was gonna drop off. I was chewing. I'm like, God damn, this was dry.
I know that happened to y'all. You eat something and your mouth is so tired.
Yep.
That's how I feel right now. Because the spring roll is good, but it's crunchy. I love crunchy stuff, but it makes your mouth tired. No tired man.
So you full? Okay. When my first day full, that's it. We don't.
I feel like I ain't eat nothing.
You didn't. When my first day full, she's full. We don't go. I gotta make first day go past that. When first day she's full. That's how we do it. So if you're new, that's it. But me, I'm gonna finish that right there. So let me just give it a word. If you're still here, cause I know sometimes you step away, but I'll say it's okay. I'm gonna give it a word now. First, say listen, family, listen. Okay, mama, real quick. Family, if there's even a slight chance at getting something that will make you happy, make sure you risk it. Life's too short and happiness is too rare. Okay? You know that one first, lady?
I love it, man.
You know that one there? You think they heard it the first time, right? Because I want to cut to my food.
Huh?
They heard it. They
heard
heard
it?
Yeah,
Okay.
of course they heard it because they know they say Richie not finishing this food. Look at this jumbo leg right here. I got to finish my leg. So remember that now. Okay? I love the crunch, you see? Wow, cow. That way I almost cut my gum.
Yeah, you see? That one, yeah, my mouth tired.
Yeah, I can finish the food. There you go, right?
But
No.
I guess none of that tonight. My mouth too tired.
I'm all too tired, Mario. They gone. So we can talk about one thing about now. Did you line?
I'm more tired, mama. Tired.
Is that tired? You're more to look at Mario.
Tired, man. Oh, excuse me.
I gotta keep careful about it, it's crunchy. I'm gonna cut my gum.
That's what I'm telling you. Because you made it extra crunchy this time, and then you put it in the oven to keep it on warm. So when it's on warm, it's even better.
Wow.
I'm saying bye to the family.
Oh snap! We gotta come We gotta come back and say bye. Oh, I am Richie. Sorry, we thought you left. Oh my goodness, I am Richie, and this is Shanice, aka First Aid. And if you're new, they are First Aid. Wow, I thought they left. You know?
You guys are the greedy family.
Oh my goodness.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Another mukbang, of course.
Bye.
Bye.
If you didn't say we still here.